Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation we will study about how to choosing the right maintenance type for your equipment, how cost of equipment failure and monitoring cost will impact. Choosing the right maintenance strategy. Choosing the right maintenance strategy for your equipment requires a based on the equipment, its criticality, failure patterns, and the goals of your maintenance program. Also, right maintenance strategy is a function of the cost of equipment failure and cost of monitoring. Breakdown maintenance, monitoring cost. It is relatively easy to implement and monitor because maintenance activities are reactive. Maintenance teams only need to respond when equipment failure occurs or alarms are triggered. Failure cost. The cost of failure in breakdown maintenance can be significant. Unplanned downtime and emergency repairs can result in higher costs. It may result in safety hazards or environmental impacts. Preventive maintenance, monitoring cost. Easier to monitor because maintenance activities are scheduled at regular intervals or based on usage counters. Maintenance teams can plan and execute tasks on a predefined schedule. Failure cost aims to prevent potential failures by replacing parts or conducting maintenance before issues arise. As a result, the cost of failure is generally lower than breakdown maintenance. Condition-based maintenance, monitoring cost. CBM requires continuous monitoring of equipment condition. It allows maintenance teams to make informed decisions based on actual equipment health. Failure cost. CBM aims to predict and prevent failures by addressing issues before they lead to critical breakdowns. CBM can minimize unplanned downtime. The cost of failure is generally lower compared to breakdown maintenance. Predictive maintenance, monitoring cost. It requires more sophisticated monitoring capabilities. It involves continuous data collection from sensors and other sources to monitor equipment condition in real time and requires skilled personnel. Failure cost. It aims to predict and prevent failures by addressing issues just before they become critical. The cost of failure can be significantly reduced. For low failure cost and ease of monitoring. Low then used for non-critical equipment where the cost of failure is low, and downtime is acceptable, for high failure cost and ease of monitoring. Low then used for critical assets where unplanned downtime, for low failure cost and ease of monitoring. High then used for monitoring equipment with rapidly changing conditions or short-term variability, for high failure cost and ease of monitoring. High then used for assets with gradual degradation. Choosing the right maintenance strategy. Maintenance strategy is a function of the cost of equipment failure and ease of monitoring. Based on this, breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, predictive maintenance, is selected.
Thank you for watching this video.